Welcome to a recent project we completed at S.A.R.A Animal Sanctuary in Redcar. This really was a fantastic project to be a part of. It's a wonderful place, a charity that looks after homeless dogs, cats and rabbits. And our sole aim was to help reduce their energy bills, thereby saving them essential funds that can be put to much better use. We couldn't wait to get our paws into this one. See what I did there? Let's take a look around. We installed 31.64 kilowatts of solar panels on the large barn to serve the cafe and shop. Connected to that is a 30 kilowatt 3-phase string inverter alongside a 3-phase AC coupled 6 kilowatt inverter and 12.4 kilowatt hours of battery storage. The middle barn area that contains the main kennels, cattery and rabbits. We installed 9.4 kilowatts of solar, which we connected to a 6 kilowatt single phase hybrid inverter with 12.4 kilowatt hours of battery storage. And finally, on the new kennel block, 6.78 kilowatts of solar with a 5 kilowatt single phase hybrid inverter with 12.4 kilowatt hours of battery storage, perfect to supply the underfloor heating during those winter nights. S.A.R.A Animal Sanctuary, it's great to be back here, especially with the sun out like this and seeing all of our solar panels doing what they should do, generating some free energy. If you ever get a chance to pop down, come and have a cuppa in the cafe there, or if you can offer a loving home for one of these lovely animals, this is your place.